This is going to be so sweet. We are going to take a parachute man, and we are going to launch him on a helicopter. Hopefully he deploys in time to live through the ordeal. We'll find out.
Alright, this is how we're setting it up. First, we're gonna hook the guy on the back part of the helicopter. This helicopter you get from Wonderland, Oregon. Some arcade, it's called the Nickel Arcade. And just any old parachute man with a little hole in his head, you know, hook it on there. And just hook him on the back one. And then kind of fold up the parachute, kind of munch it up, and stick it underneath front right here. And then it should stay if you got it nice and done. And then we'll just go from here, get the string away from your hand when you pull it, and then just let it go.
Okay, this is helicopter deploy parachute man 9000, take one.
Drop. Alright, take one didn't work, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the front one, wrap it around the back one, and then wrap it around the back left one, and then take off.
Okay, this is helicopter deploy parachute man 9000, take two.
Oh my god! Oh, it's oh my god! Turn it up! Turn it up!
Let's now take a moment to honor those who perished in the previous explosion. Let's bow our heads. Okay, well, we've gotten a new helicopter and parachuter, so take 3 should be set for go within the hour. Should be pretty sweet. Stick around.
Alright, as promised, we have a new helicopter. Yeah. And new guy, he's really excited. He has his arms flailing. Alright, this way, we're gonna put him on the front one, take it, bring it over to the second one, second little front landy gear, wrap it around once, and just let it dangle. A nice little folded, make sure it's nice and folded. And we're gonna see how this one goes. Alright, no dead bodies this time. Let's go.
Okay, this is helicopter deploy parachute man 10,000, take 3. Alright, so overall I'd say we've had a successful day. Pay no attention to Stefan. I mean, contrary to popular belief, he really is not gay. You may have been led to that belief because of his NSYNC shirt. That was a bet, so, you know.
What's up?
I'd like to give a shout out to all my bros in Arizona. Without you guys, I wouldn't really feel like making a video in the first place. So, hopefully you're watching this. That's about it, really. We had fun making this video. So, hope you had fun watching it. Cheers. We're now going to take a moment to honor those who perished.
If you catch me at the border,
What am I supposed to go? Oh god.